In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a note to the top of your Notes app. If this helps you, don't forget to subscribe down below and like the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the Notes app. At the bottom, it's going to show you how many notes you have. Me, for example, I have more than 400 notes. That means that if I have an important note, it can get lost so quickly. So what we're going to do if we want to pin an important note is first, we're going to create it. So let's say that I want to pin my password for, I don't know, Instagram. So I'm going to create the note first. I'm going to tap undone and I'm going to go back. Then what you're going to do is select your note and you're going to swipe to the right, and that will automatically pin your note to the top of your screen. If you want to unpin your note for whatever reason, you simply do the same. You select your note, swipe all the way to the right, and as you can see, it goes back to my list of notes for today. And that's it. I hope this video helped.